Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Review, where we bring you honest, in-depth takes on the most exciting rides on the road. Today, we're diving into the beast of the off-road world, the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R. Buckle up, because this one is a monster. Let's kick things off with the exterior. The 2025 Raptor R continues to make a bold statement with its aggressive styling. The wide body, massive fender flares, signature blacked-out grille with the iconic Ford lettering, and a more sculpted hood give it a menacing stance. New for 2025, Ford has refined the LED headlight design, giving it a sharper, more modern edge, while the functional heat extractors in the hood and fenders improve airflow and performance. Sitting on massive 37-inch all-terrain tires, the Raptor R looks every bit the off-road predator it's meant to be. It's not just tough, it's intimidating. Moving to the interior, Ford has managed to balance rugged utility with a surprising level of luxury. The cabin of the Raptor R is built with premium materials, leather-trimmed Recaro sport seats, carbon fiber accents, and aluminum touches throughout. It feels upscale without losing its adventurous character. There's a massive 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a similarly sized center touchscreen powered by Ford's Sync 4 system. It's responsive, intuitive, and loaded with features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Bang & Olufsen sound system that delivers crisp audio even when you're tearing through the desert. Now let's talk performance, because this is where the Raptor R really roars. Under the hood, Ford has dropped in a 5.2-liter supercharged V8, the same engine from the Shelby GT500, producing a jaw-dropping 720 horsepower and over 640 pound-feet of torque. This truck isn't just built to crawl over rocks, it launches like a muscle car, with an exhilarating exhaust note that reminds you it's something special. The 10-speed automatic transmission is quick and seamless, adapting perfectly whether you're on pavement or pounding dirt trails. Thanks to a revised suspension system with Fox Live valve shocks and 5-link rear coil spring setup, the Raptor R offers unmatched off-road capability. It soaks up bumps, jumps, and ruts like they're nothing. And with selectable drive modes, including Baja, Rock Crawl, and Tow Haul, it adapts to whatever terrain you throw at it. It also tows up to 8,700 pounds, making it just as practical as it is fun. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R doesn't come cheap. Starting at around $111,000, it's one of the most expensive trucks on the market. But you're not just buying a truck, you're buying the pinnacle of performance in the pickup segment. Compared to rivals like the RAM TRX, the Raptor R is leaner, louder, and more purpose-built for high-speed off-roading. So, who is this truck for? If you want the ultimate expression of Ford's off-road engineering, something that can climb mountains during the day and still turn heads at night, this is your truck. The 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R is not just about capability, it's about attitude. Thanks for watching Car Review. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a ride. Catch you in the next one.